Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool, amazing product right here in my hand. If you can see, it's by a brand called TECKIN. And pretty much what this is a smart power strip. And if you guys don't remember, I actually reviewed this in the past. But the reason why I'm doing this video for today is to do an update video to let you guys know how well it's been. And basically the reason why I picked this product out of all the products so far is because this is the one that I've been using almost every single day. Because I love the option how there's so many of these ports here. So if you guys didn't see the unboxing video, then you can go check that out in the other video, which I'll link in the description box down below. But basically before I talk more about the feedbacks about the product itself, I'm going to do a quick video of like how to use the product and everything and what it looks like when you set it up, and then come back and talk more about the product itself. Alright, so this is basically what it looks like inside. This is the way you guys get inside, the charging plug, the smart plug, and you guys get a user manual inside. So I'm going to plug this in to test it out to show you guys what it actually looks like and when it actually works first. Alright, so here we have the product. If you guys can see, I have everything basically all plugged in. You guys can see that this is charging right here. This one is charging as well. It's charging my portable chargers right here. And then my ThickPod is charging here as well. Hand warmer is charging as well. The headphones right here are charging as well. And I have two other cables that are not plugged in yet, which is for my iPhone, which I'm going to do right now to show you guys when I actually can charge all 8 of these products at the same time. So let's do the first one right here. Alright, so that one works. Let's try our next one. Alright, so you guys can see that actually does charge all 8 of the products at the same time. And if you guys want to, you guys can actually connect it using the app, which is called Smart Life app. So let me actually show you guys how to pair that really quick. So when you guys are on the app, you guys want to click the app button on the top right corner, and you guys want to click on the one that you guys want. So the one that we want right here should be the power strip Wi-Fi. So you click on that, and it'll tell you guys how to set everything on. So turn on the device, hold the reset button for 5 seconds, and make sure it's blinking really rapidly before it can actually pair or not. And one thing to know is that before you guys do all this is to connect your Wi-Fi into the 2.4 G network, or they will not work correctly. So I'm gonna do that first. Alright, so I have everything all set up correctly. Now we're gonna do the reset the device as it says. So turn on the device, we have it on. Hold the reset button for 5 seconds, which is right here. So hold it down for 5 seconds. Alright, so just reset the device. So now you guys can start pairing the device, and then it will ask you guys to connect to the Wi-Fi password and everything. So we'll have it all set up. So now we can just wait for it to connect. Alright, so it's connected and it found the device. So now you guys can use the device on the Smart Life app to control it, or you guys can use like the Alexa, Google Home device or app itself to control it as well. So this is what the user face looks like. So you can control each one of the switch or control all of it at the same time. The USB, you guys cannot do each one individually. It actually is all paired together. You guys can see right there. So if you guys want to turn it on, you guys can see that turn on only the USB. And if I want to turn on everything else here, I just click all on or all off. And you guys heard that little click, and so that's how you guys know. Alright, welcome back guys. So now that you guys saw the test of the video itself, you guys can see that it actually still works and actually works really well. I love the option how it's so easy to use, so easy to maintain, generates a lot of power and can support a lot of powers. But definitely one of the coolest thing about this product is the fact that you guys can control it on your app itself, or you guys can use Alexa or Google Home to like control each one of the plugs. So if you guys want to turn on each plug or turn off each plug, or if you guys want to turn off the USB completely, or if you guys want to turn off the whole entire plug outlet itself, you guys can do that as well. So that's really cool. So like I said, if you guys didn't see the first video of my unboxing and explaining the product itself and everything, you guys can go check out the video, which I'm gonna post down in the description box down below. And then obviously the product itself has all the protection that you guys need, so like the surge protection, overcharge protection, over voltage protection, and the list goes on. So now that we did the testing of the product itself and kind of like a little update feedback about the product itself, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for me, honestly, I have to say that these are actually still worth it if you guys need one of these, especially the fact of how you guys can use like the Wi-Fi to pair the device if you guys need to control it anywhere. Like if you guys go outside and you guys forget to turn off your light or turn off the plug or something, then you guys have the option to control it on the app as long as you guys have Wi-Fi or internet on your phone and the device is connected onto a wallet and it's connected to Wi-Fi, then you guys are fine. And even if the product itself is not connected to a wall charger or wall outlet itself, then you guys are fine, because that's how you guys know that it's not charged up and whatnot. But definitely really cool option how you guys can look on the app itself to maintain the product and you guys know when it's plugged on or not. So pretty much long story short, yes, this is worth it if you guys need one or want one of these. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have no use for one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else they actually do need. But other than that, that's pretty much it for this little testing and feedback about the product itself. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video and you guys want to see more, then make sure to click on that bell notification in the bottom to be notified of new videos that will be coming up in the future. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan shout day, we have